Hi, in this video you will learn how to automate your social media posts. So for example, you want to write a post on all of your social media accounts, and instead of doing one by one you want the post to appear at the same time on all of your social media platforms. Then you can do it easily by automating your social media posts, which I'll show you in this video. So if you want to learn more about this, then you can go to the link in the description and you can learn more about this tool. And basically this is a free tool where you will have to link your social media accounts, and then if you write something over here or you write a post over here, then this will share that automatically on all of your social media accounts that you have attached over here. And you can also schedule your posts. So for example, you want to put something today or tomorrow, then you can schedule that and you can give it a specific time, and at that time your post will be appear on all of your social media platforms. So let's see how we can create an account over here and then how we can connect our social media platforms, and at the end we will test a post that will appear on all of our social media platforms. Now to get started, just click the link in the description and this will take you to this page, and this is the page where you will have to create an account. Now as you can see, try the free version. So there are also some premium plans, but we can use the free version which will work fine. So just click on try the free version and this will take you to the sign up page. And here you can write your name, email and password, and if you want you can also sign up using your social accounts, for example Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Google. I already have created an account over here, so this is very simple. Just click on any of these and your account will be created. And after sign up you will just have to log in, and once you log in you will see this dashboard, and as you can see we have create where you can create a post, you can see your post, calendar, accounts and so on. And before posting we will have to link our social media accounts, for example Facebook, Twitter and so on. So to add an account, just click on add account, and here as you can see you can link your Facebook page, your Facebook group, LinkedIn profile, Instagram and so on. Now there is one condition for the Instagram, that you must have a business account on Instagram, and the rest of these are very simple. And as you can see, WordPress is also coming soon, which means that you can post on your WordPress website right from here. Now let's say I want to add my Facebook page, so I'll click on page and this will take me to the Facebook page. So I'll just write my password and click on continue, and here you will have to choose the page that you are managing. So if you have multiple pages, then you can select over here. I just have this one page, so I'll select this and I'll click next. So just click on done, and as you can see you have now linked Publer to Facebook, so click OK. And that is how you can connect a profile. So I just connected a Facebook page. Now every time I post over here, then this will post automatically on my Facebook page. And select the account you want to add, so I'll just select this and successfully added. Now let's go back to accounts, and as you can see my page is showing over here, so I have access to this one. Let's go back to dashboard, and as you can see my page is showing over here, so this is my Facebook page. And now let's connect Twitter also, so click on add account, click on Twitter and authorize app. Now this is my profile showing over here, so again I'll click this and add it successfully, and we will go back to dashboard. And as you can see I have connected to Facebook and Twitter. Now let's add Instagram. And this will show you your Instagram account, so just select that and click next. I already have added this page, so just click on next, click done and OK. And this is how you can add multiple accounts to Publer. Now you can connect multiple accounts over here, and in the last I want to connect my LinkedIn also, so let's click on this. And inside LinkedIn you can also connect your profile or your page, so I'll click profile. Sign into LinkedIn, scroll down and click allow. And this is how you can connect your social profiles over here. And as you can see, I've connected Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Now if I write a post over here, then this will automatically post on all of these platforms. So let's try this. And along with post we can also put an image. So as you can see, drag and drop an image here, so I'll just click this. So you can import images from your Drive, your Dropbox, Unsplash, library and so on. You can also design it with Canva and so on. And if you want to upload an image, just click on this. So for example, I want to use this image, and that's it. This will also give you some hashtag suggestions that you can use in your post. For example, let us showing these. Now I'll write my own. For example, now you can schedule this post for some time or date, and I want to post that right now just to show you. So to post that, we will need to select our accounts. So I'll select all of these, and now we'll click on post. And as you can see, post added successfully. Now let's check this. So let's go to Twitter. And as you can see, this is the post that I just posted. And let's go to LinkedIn. And here as you can see, we got the post which is just 2 minutes ago. And let's go to Instagram. And here you can also see the post. And now let's check our Facebook page. And as you can see, this is the post that I just posted. So this is how you can automate your social media post. Again, link will be down in the description, so just click on that and you will be redirected to this website where you can automate your social media post. Hope the video will help you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.